माँ, डॉग के साथ क्रिकेट मैच है, शाम तक आऊंगा।
पुष्कर, दूध पी ले पुत्र। धोनी की तरह छक्के मारने हैं तूने।
धोनी नहीं माँ, विराट की तरह।
क्रिकेट हो या पढ़ाई, सब आता है बाद में। सबसे पहले अ ग्लास फुल ऑफ मिल्क, फुल ऑफ प्रोटीन। धीरे पुष्कर।
Milk, the white gold or the white lie. Ever thought where the stream of white liquid comes from? Is it really for us humans to consume? Have you ever wondered who the rightful owner of this milk is and what happens to her? Is milk really the superhero we think it is? Or is there a grey lining to its whiteness?
There is no difference between a piece of meat or a glass of milk. A cow that produces dairy is exploited for years and years and goes through tremendous amount of suffering.
My name is Kuntal Joysher. I am a vegan by choice and a mountain climber by passion.
In 2009, I decided to climb Mount Everest, and I told myself that I'll climb Mount Everest as a vegan or not do it at all. I wanted to stand up against the cruelty from the dairy industry.
Have you ever wondered what dairy cattle are destined for once their milking days are over? They are either abandoned or spend their remaining life in a gaushala with hundreds of other used and abused cows until they die due to malnutrition, starvation, and neglect. Mostly, though, they are sent for slaughter illegally. That's where beef comes from. That's the cost of milk, which you never factor in. The beef industry is just an extension of the dairy industry. It's time to wake up and smell the burning carcasses.
In order to get the maximum milk out of her, she's given oxytocin injections. These cause labor-like pains for the cow, and they're given to the cow every single day to produce the maximum milk. And then cows are artificially inseminated again soon after their delivery so that they are pregnant and lactating at the same time. This causes a huge hormonal cocktail in the milk. Cow's milk contains a lot of hormones which cause a whole host of diseases, diabetes and hypertension and heart disease and hypothyroid, polycystic ovarian, premature puberty, even breast cancer and prostate cancer can be linked to the dairy industry.
Most backyard dairies milk their cows till exhaustion and leave them on the road in the midst of traffic and chaos to fend for themselves. To satiate their malnourished selves, the cows end up eating garbage, which mainly constitutes plastic. This leads to premature deaths due to stomach obstruction. Most dairy cattle live to a maximum of 6 to 8 years, while their natural lifespan is 26 years. In India, within 4 months of giving birth, dairy cattle are forcefully impregnated through artificial insemination by untrained staff in a painful manner and an extremely unhygienic environment.
Milk has been related to so many disorders like diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, cancer even. Then why are we sold this white lies? The dairy industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry and we've been marketed it so much that we cannot think otherwise. You do not know how much it affects you till you try and go on a 100% plant-based diet, and then you see that you're performing much better. I can lift much heavier now, my endurance has gone up, my stamina has gone up, and I don't fall sick that often.
FIAPO's investigations revealed utmost cruelty in the dairy industry. In commercial dairies, calves are separated from their mothers in less than 30 minutes of their birth. It is time to weigh your decision to consume dairy against the suffering of millions of innocent dairy animals. The question still stands tall. Is milk really the superhero it is portrayed to be?
I refuse to be milked by the
Lies of the dairy industry.
I don't get milk.